no, it's 7. We're late. David, wake up. We completely overslept.
What? What time is it?
It's 7:30 already. School starts at 8.
7:30. Oh no.
Lily! Tom! Wake up! Time to go!
Mom, just 5 more minutes, please.
No 5 more minutes today. Lily, my little sweetheart, come out of bed, my love. Wake up and stretch out. 2 sets of underwear, 2 new pairs of socks, shorts, a skirt, and 2 new uniform shirts.
Oh, wow! It fits perfectly!
Great! Now, both of you, go brush your teeth right now.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Wash your faces faster.
Time to eat. Breakfast is waiting. My loves, don't be too slow. Let's go.
Sit down. Check my phone. I want soft drink.
Not good for health. Drink your milk.
Super delicious sandwiches. Thank you for breakfast, Mom.
You're welcome. Now finish up. Breakfast? Done. Water bottles? Check. Homework. Tom, where is your homework? It's right there on the table.
And coffee for us?
Of course. No morning without coffee.
Mom, I packed my notebook and pencils.
Good job, Lily. Tom, do you have your lunchbox?
Oh, right. My lunchbox.
Maybe Lily wants to eat air for lunch today.
Not funny, Dad. We still need to go. Lunch is ready. Grab them and move.
The car is ready. We leave in 10 minutes.
10 minutes! We are still not ready. Oh no! I haven't even brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Thank you, my dear. Okay, checklist. Backpacks?
C-H-A-K. C-A-K.
Lunchboxes?
Check.
Perfect! Everyone out the door, let's go!
Wait. My toy car again. Where is it?
Tom, we don't have time for toys.
Here it is on the couch. Got it.
Let's go before you miss class.
Good morning. Everyone in.
Going to school.
All right, hop in.
Seatbelts on. I'm so excited. I like school. Do schools have big playgrounds?
Yes, Lily, a very big one.
That's great. I'm gonna run so fast.
Oh, traffic! Please move, cars!
Relax, Sarah. The school is not far from here.
Mom, what will I do at school today?
You will learn, play, read, and have fun.
I want to draw today and maybe listen to the teacher.
Yes! And no talking in class.
Here we are, the school.
Thank you, Dad. We made it.
Have a good day, Tom. Sure I will, Dad.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
later. We will pick you up after school.
Wow, so many kids.
Good morning, Tom. Lily, welcome.
Good morning, Miss Sarah.
Oh, my head. You did it, Sarah. You survived the morning rush. Wake up quickly, you sleepy heads.
Please, Mom. Not so soon.
My head is spinning right now. I can't continue this. I need a break. I need to find a pair of socks, some shorts, and my uniform shirt. Where is it?
Hi, Mom. What do we have for breakfast today?
Cereal and milk?
Honey. But we're missing a spoon.
Here it is.
Thank you, Dad.
Hurry up. Eat quickly. Don't let me see any crumbs left on the table.
Coffee time for the hero.
Thank goodness. I really need this.
Goodbye, Mom. I'm going to school.
Goodbye. Be good at school. Mom is going crazy with all this rushing.
Definitely. It's too much. Or maybe Mom is very sick. What should we do? I have an idea. Good idea, Lily. Let's do it. We will make tomorrow better for her. Change clothes. Check the list. Ready. Shh. Don't wake Mom up yet. Coffee for Mom and a sandwich with butter. Perfect. She's gonna love this. Flowers for Mom. Put them right here on the tray. Mom.
Oh, what is all this? This is beautiful.
Mom, we understand everything now. No more being naughty. Just sweet kids.
Oh, my loves. Thank you. We promise to do our best every day.
This is the best morning ever.
I agree. Good job, kids.
We are ready, Dad. Let's go to school.
Have a wonderful day. If you like today's story, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to see more of our family's funny stories.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
We love you guys.
Goodbye.
I'm the best at drawing. No, I am. I am.
Finally, peace and quiet.
Have a great day, Tom.
You too, Lily.
Time to draw and learn.
Ready for a fun day, Lily?
Yes, Miss Sarah.
Zoom.
This car is the fastest. Higher! Higher! This is so much fun!
Ready to go home, kids?
I drew a beautiful picture of us, Mom.
I can't wait to see it.
Look, Mom. I got a gold star for reading. I'm so proud of you. This is perfect.
It's our happy family. We really do have the best kids.
Yes, we do.
I want to be ready for tomorrow morning. No more lost toy cars.
Good job, Tom. Good night, my sweethearts.
Good night, Mom. Tomorrow will be another great day.
We are ready for anything.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Why did the alarm clock go to school?
Why?
Because it wanted to be on time.
This will be a funny story to tell my friends. I am Super Tom. I never oversleep. You can't catch me, Dad.
Oh, just you wait.
Life is busy, but it's wonderful.
Can I add the chocolate chips?
Yes, Lily, go ahead.
I can't wait to eat them. These are the best cookies in the world.
Because we made them with love.
And they lived happily ever after.
Read it again. So many memories in this house.
Look at the colors.
It's beautiful, just like our family.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ready for tomorrow morning.